Horses out, they have Game Possible. Pass to begin, moving up on the outside, Irresistible. Spellbinder is racing in third and followed by Blue Boy. Inside is Shut Up, alongside is Real Excellent. Irresistible takes the lead by Rolenka. Impossible drives back in. Spellbinder in third, alongside Port Blue Collar Boy, Shut Up, and Real Excellent. RSL Irresistible by about 2.5 lengths. Impossible remains in second. Spellbinder in third. Blue Collar Boy as they come down at the last 150. RSL Irresistible by about 4 lengths. Impossible, Spellbinder, and hitting the finish line. It's Irresistible. Impossible, Spellbinder, Blue Collar Boy, Shut Up, and Real Excellent.